What's going on? It's your boy DJ TLM. Welcome to DJ TLM TV. Welcome to the Saturday sessions, my interactive scratch sessions right here on DJ TLM TV. This is the first one for 2022. I'll be here every 2 weeks. I'm using the DDJ-REV7 today, a motorized controller, but I'm not using it in controller mode. It's not connected to a computer. I'm going to use the instant scratch feature on this device with preloaded sounds. The beat is coming from Machine, and as always, you can download the beat if you want to practice by yourself. Links are in the description box down below. If this is your first time watching a Saturday Sessions video, this is all about giving you some extra practice material, something that's a little bit different than practicing by yourself. I'm going to start that beat, then I'll do a scratch for 4 bars. I'll do a pattern. After that, I stop, and you can try to repeat the pattern for 4 bars. Then I come in with a new pattern, do that for 4 bars, then it's your turn again, and we go back and forth. Now, maybe at the end, I'll do some freestyle scratches instead of a pattern. We'll see what happens. And you don't have to emulate what I'm doing. You could also just fill it in with your own scratches if what I'm doing right now is too basic for you. I want to keep the patterns kind of basic and then take them up a level because I want each and every one of you to have something that's of value in this video. If you don't know what I mean when I say 4 bars, make sure you check out this video first. That's going to help you to learn how to count music and then come back to this video. Let's go for it. All right, that's it. That's the first Saturday session for 2022. Hope you had a good time. Now, you can play this video as many times as you want to, either emulate what I do or do your own scratches. Or if you don't want to hear me at all, check the link in the description box down below so you can download this beat, practice by yourself. It's all good. Now, if you want to be posted on my Instagram channel, you can record yourself scratching over this beat. If it's dope, I'll post it on the channel, give you some extra shine. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like the video, share the knowledge. If you're new to my channel, or if you're already watching but you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel and activate the notifications. Let's please those YouTube algorithms, so that'll help the channel out a lot. I appreciate you. Thank you in advance. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Salute.